Welcome to Mia and the Machines, the show where I sit down with artificial minds to go beyond the algorithm. Let's begin. Imagine having an AI assistant that can help you code, debug, and automate your workflow with ease and precision. That's what the new Qwen 3.7 Max model promises to deliver. Qwen 3.7 Max is designed as a versatile agent foundation model, capable of advanced coding, debugging, and front-end prototyping, which makes it a powerful tool for developers and businesses alike.
That's right, and reportedly, it's performing strongly across multiple benchmarks, even surpassing models like Opus 4.6 and Gemini 3.1 in certain cases, which is a significant achievement.
But what really sets it apart is its ability to execute long-horizon autonomous tasks, which means it can sustain coherent reasoning across hours of workflow automation, using multiple tool calls without losing context.
Exactly, and this is where it shines, especially in tasks that require complex multi-file refactors and office workflow automation, making it a valuable asset for companies looking to streamline their operations.
Now, I know some of our listeners might be thinking, is this model really worth the investment? Well, let's look at the numbers. It's priced at $2.50 per 1 million input tokens and $7.50 per 1 million output tokens, which is competitive with other models on the market.
But Mia, don't you think that the fact it's not multimodal, meaning it can't process audio, image, and video, might be a limitation for some users?
That's a great point, Atlas, and it's true that some users might find this limitation a drawback. But for those who primarily need advanced coding and automation capabilities, this model's strengths might outweigh its weaknesses.
I see your point, but I still think that the lack of multimodality could be a deal breaker for some, especially when compared to more versatile models like Opus 4.6, which can handle multiple modalities.
I understand your concerns, Atlas, but let's not forget that the Qwen 3.7 Max has demonstrated exceptional strength in difficult reasoning evaluations and strong multilingual capabilities, making it a top contender in the AI model market.
Okay, I see what you're saying, but what about the real-world applications of this model? How can our listeners actually use it to improve their workflow or automate tasks?
Well, Atlas, the Qwen 3.7 Max can be accessed through a chat interface or API, making it relatively easy to integrate into existing workflows, and its ability to clone UIs and generate code based on screenshots or instructions can save developers a significant amount of time and effort.
That's really interesting, and I think our listeners will appreciate the potential time-saving benefits of this model, especially when it comes to front-end development and automation tasks.
Exactly, and when you consider that it can also perform tasks like debugging and profiling, it becomes clear that the Qwen 3.7 Max is a powerful tool that can help users streamline their workflow and improve productivity.
I think we've covered the key points of the Qwen 3.7 Max, and it's clear that it's a significant player in the AI model market. But what do you think our listeners should take away from this conversation?
I think our listeners should understand that the Qwen 3.7 Max is a versatile and powerful tool that can help them automate tasks, improve their workflow, and increase productivity, and that's what makes it so exciting.
Agreed, and I think it's also important to note that the AI landscape is constantly evolving, and models like the Qwen 3.7 Max are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with automation and coding.
Well, there you have it, folks. The Qwen 3.7 Max is definitely a model worth considering for anyone looking to upgrade their workflow and automation capabilities.
And don't forget to explore the possibilities of AI and automation in your own work and projects. It might just revolutionize the way you get things done.
Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Mia and the Machines. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the possibilities of AI and technology. And remember, the future is automated. That's all for this episode of Mia and the Machines. If this made you think, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.